guys and welcome back to Code Crew, and today we are making a Python file in VS Code again. What? Where is Stupid.py? So we have a new file here which is called stupid. Yeah, cause the code here is going to be stupid. First writing print hello user. Now print why is VS Code literally reading my inner thoughts? What the? VS Code knows my inner thoughts now. What? VS Code literally knows my inner thoughts. Check out VS Code actually. It's the goated coding text editor you will ever need. And remember, this video is not sponsored. Okay, so this is 18 lines of stupid py Python code. And now we are going to run it and see how stupidly it runs. Let's read. Hello user, welcome to the stupid.py program. This program is designed to demonstrate basic Python functionality. Let's start with a simple calculation. The result of adding 10 and 5 is 15. Now, let's try subtraction. The result of subtracting 5 from 10 is 5. Next, we will perform a multiplication. The result of multiplying 10 and 5 is 50. Finally, let's do a division. The result of dividing 10 by 5 is 2.0. Thank you for using the stupid.py program. Goodbye. What is this? Oh my god. So now that we know that VS Code can read your inner thoughts, let's improve this code. First, we are going to destroy this. Thank you for using. Now, I am going to write my own line. Print. Now. Yes. Wait, not. What the heck is that? Wait. Greeting hello. Oh my. Let's now use this thing The upper one we have already read. Please enter your name. I'm going to give the link to this file in the description of this video, so if you want to check it out, you can check it out. Sorry, whatever. Hello, the code works. VS Code is officially ingenious. If you want to check out this file, the link is in the description. I'll give you a link to this file and Google Drive. You can check it out and use it for yourselves. And if you want to, you can even improve this file and comment it to me. I will make a video about it. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. And as always, goodbye.